In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook ads in just 5 minutes. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This is your starting point for managing your advertisements on Facebook. It's like the control center for all your marketing activities on the platform. Just go to business.facebook.com to get started. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in with Facebook. Click on that. This will ensure that you're using your Facebook credentials to access the Business Manager, which keeps everything streamlined and straightforward. After logging in, you'll be prompted to select your account. Choose the one relevant to the ads you're planning to run. This could be your personal account associated with your business, or a specific business account if you manage multiple businesses. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the lower left side of the panel, where you'll find an option labeled Ads. Click on that to proceed further into the Ads Manager. Within the Ads Manager, there's a wealth of tools and data available to you, but don't let it overwhelm you. We're here for a specific task to create an ad. So the next step is to click on Campaigns. A handy tip here, you can access the Ads Manager directly by typing adsmanager.facebook.com into your browser. It's a quick way to bypass the preliminary steps if you're already familiar with Facebook's Business Manager interface. Once you've clicked on Campaigns, you'll see an option to create. This is where the fun really begins. Creating a campaign is the first step in launching your Facebook ad. After clicking on Create, you'll be prompted to add your campaign name. Choosing a name that is easily recognizable and related to the campaign's objectives will help you stay organized, especially when you're running multiple campaigns. Following this, it's time to add your ad set or create a new one if it's your first time. An ad set is where you'll make crucial decisions about targeting, budget, scheduling, and placement. Click on Continue to move forward. Now you've reached a critical stage, adding details to your ads. This includes everything from selecting images or videos, crafting your ad copy, choosing a call to action, and defining your target audience. The more precise and engaging your ad content is, the better your ad will perform. Lastly, once you're satisfied with all the information and creative elements you've added, it's time to publish your ad. Click on Publish to send your ad into the review process. Facebook will review your ad to ensure it meets their advertising policies before it goes live. Remember, setting up your ad is just the start. Monitoring its performance and tweaking your ads based on the data you collect is crucial for achieving the best results. Facebook advertising can seem daunting at first with its various options and settings, but once you've walked through the process, it becomes much more straightforward. Just remember, the key to successful Facebook ads lies in understanding your audience, crafting compelling ad content, and continuously optimizing based on performance data. There you have it. You've just learned how to set up a Facebook ad in about 5 minutes. The world of Facebook advertising is vast and full of potential. With the steps you've learned today, you're well on your way to leveraging this powerful platform to grow your business. Enjoy the process, experiment with different ad formats and targeting options, and watch as your business reaches new heights through Facebook advertising.